Marvel's Edge of Venomverse miniseries wraps with what is easily its most marketable mashup of Venom symbiote and popular hero, Venompool. Having Orc Stain artist James Stokoe on board doesn't hurt. This issue looks great, but the lack of anything resembling a compelling storyline might still make it a tough sell for many readers. One problem this issue faces is that we've already seen a Deadpool/Venom mashup thanks to 2015's Deadpool's Secret Wars and its follow-up, Deadpool, Back in Black. Those two books had a lot of fun with the premise and actually found depth in the pairing, suggesting that Deadpool is responsible for driving the symbiote mad in the first place. This Venompool characters is comparatively straightforward. He's Deadpool with some added superpowers. This isn't the first Edge of Venomverse comic where the lead character barely changes at all after bonding with the symbiote, but that lack of storytelling ambition never ceases to frustrate. Honestly, it would be pretty easy to cut the symbiote out of the equation entirely and just have a comic about Deadpool fighting some parasitic monsters clearly inspired by John Carpenter's The Thing. Which would be fine for a short story, but the book grows extremely repetitive over the course of 20-something pages. This is Deadpool at his most obnoxious, spouting an endless stream of one-liners and stream of consciousness rambling. And as has happened before with this series, the script doesn't so much end as abruptly segue into Venomverse. Again, the art helps make this issue tolerable. Stokoe has a real knack for rendering dynamic action and eye-popping monster designs, and this issue puts those talents to good use on every page. The art is grotesquely detailed and just stylized and cartoonish enough to avoid devolving into a gore-fest. Stokoe also adds some fun flourishes to the story, including a scene where a tiny Deadpool dances while his body is being invaded by parasitic worms. Stokoe's varied color palette also does its part in terms of lending energy to the page. This is one of those cases where the word balloons tend to just get in the way of the gorgeous visuals,